Hey friends, welcome to Pupcast. I'm Maya, and today we're kicking things off big. Literally. I'm counting down my top 5 cutest large dog breeds. Think fluffy giants, goofy grins, and hearts the size of their paws. These are the pups that'll melt you faster than a dropped ice cream at the dog park. I want to hear from you. Which big dog breed has your heart? Maybe the gentle giant of a Great Dane, the mountain-loving Bernese, a goofy St. Bernard, or something totally different. Drop your favorite in the comments. I read them all. If you had fun hanging out with us, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a wag or a woof.